No basic zone.
It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, make sure you subscribe and join the gang, and also turn on your post notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to check out a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this eye look. I was hella inspired by Aina. She decided to do a pastel look on her channel, so I got a lot of inspiration from it, and I did go ahead and create my very own version. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Definitely stay tuned because I'm about to show you guys how I got it done. Hey, how you guys doing? Let's get into it. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes. I used this Too Faced shadow insurance, and I just popped it on. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do like two separate colors on each eye, or one color on each eye and one color on another eye, like two different colors on each eye, or if I want to, I don't know. I'm just gonna let my hands, you know, do what it wants to do. But I'm gonna go in with this old palette. This is the Peanut Butter and Jelly palette by Too Faced. It smells so good. It literally smells like peanut butter and jelly. Wow, like it's crazy. And I'm gonna go with the color Peanut Butter, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna flush it on my eye as like my transitional shade, just to help the pastels and just blend. I'm just going with some peanut butter right on there. Y'all see it kind of just shows up just slightly. I haven't played in makeup in a little while, y'all. I've been like avoiding wearing makeup just because y'all see I'm breaking out just a little bit. Y'all probably like, it's weird, but believe me, I'm on my cycle right now, and she has just been testing my patience. I've been staying away. I haven't done my makeup since like last week, and it's currently Wednesday, but you gotta do what you gotta do, so we back. But after this, I am going to do a nice cleanse and probably do like a face mask, have my face come back. Or I'm doing too much. Have my face just, you know, come back to normal. And I do have my chef hat, my chef bonnet on. Now I'm switching my brush and I'm switching my palette. We're gonna be diving into the Jamrock Extreme palette by Plain & Makeup by Yolando. I do have a review on this palette, so if you're interested, I'll tag it for you. I think, should I do this? I mean, I'm asking you guys like you can answer me right now. I wish you could. I was trying to figure out if I should do like blue on one eye and green on the other eye, or do blue and green on both eyes and just, you know, I think I want to do one on one eye, one on the other, because I haven't really done anything like that on my channel, so, or in life. So let's do that. So on this eye, I'm going to do blue, and on this eye, I'm going to do green. Got it? Okay. So I'm going to go in with, I said blue right here. Okay. Get it together. Lisa, which is this color right here, and I packed it on this brush right here. I'm just going to go on in. Oh. Okay. There was some fallout, but I'm mad. Okay, cute. That's nothing like what I normally do. And gonna use the brush to kind of blend it a bit. But y'all see, I don't know if you guys can see that fallout. There's a lot of fallout here, but I do see the color. It is giving me a bit of patch, just a wee bit of patchiness, but it's showing up. I'm gonna go back with a little bit of peanut butter and just blend the edges. I just want to get the bases down first, and then I'll go back in with shimmers and stuff, because I feel like I'm gonna put a shimmer on that somewhere. And for the other eye, I'm gonna go in with Jolene, that one. Same formula as the blue, pastel green. It shows up, y'all. Cute. I've always been a lover of pastels. I really like pastels. The green is cute on there. I didn't want to go in with the white base because I felt like it would just do too much. Now I'm going to use some more of peanut butter. So on this eye, I'm going to take my Fruit Sorbet palette by Violet Voss, and I'm gonna use a bit of this green right here. I'm gonna wet my brush. I'm popping it right on top. And I'm going back with the first green that we put, and I'm just puffing it around the edges of it. Now for this eye, I'm gonna go in with Margaret, which is this color right here, this blue color right here. I'll wet the brush first, just like I did with the green. Wow, y'all see that? I'm going back in with the first blue that we picked up. I'm going back with some more of that peanut butter shade around the edges. I'm gonna leave the eyes for a little bit. I know it looks super crazy. I'm gonna wipe the excess, wipe off the fall off. I'm gonna do my face and I'll be right back and we can finish everything together, okay? I feel like that'll work. Let me just get the face makeup in order, okay? BRB. Okay, you guys, as you guys can see, I am back. My face is officially done. I also put on this Milani blush. This is the blush in Dolce Pink or Dulce Pink. I popped a little bit of this on my cheeks. Now I'm gonna finish the eyes off. I'm gonna sit down a little bit too because my legs are hurting, I'm not gonna lie, because I've been like on my knees. First I'm gonna draw a wing, my NYX white liner. Okay, one wing is on. Let's draw or try to match it on the other eye. Not try to match it, we gonna match it, period. Are they even? That's as best as our liner is gonna get right now. Okay, do I want to add glitter? Since we're going all out, I'm gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna go in Va on this eye. This is still the Plain and Makeup by Yolanda palette. So I'm gonna go in with Va, and then I'm gonna go in with Sarah on the other eye. So first I'm gonna just apply some lash glue in my inner corner. I don't know why you guys are so far. Let me zoom out in a little bit more. I'm sorry. But right now, those are our eyes. And I'm gonna switch the colors. So I'm gonna put blue on my lower lash line over here and green in my lower lash line over here. So now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna go in and highlight. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Killawatt and Gingerbinge and Moscow Mule. That's what she looks like. And I'm just gonna mix both of these together. Pink highlighter ain't nothing to play with, y'all. I'm gonna put some up here too. Why not? I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I'm literally debating between CAPRIAL and Confidence. CAPRIAL is literally a step up from Confidence, so I'm trying to figure out, do I want to be like more dramatic or should I go more subtle? So I don't know. I'm gonna pop them on, do my lips, and I'll be back with slow-mo. See you guys in a bit. You ready? So I hope you guys really enjoyed the slow-mos. I think they were kind of cute. What do you think? Rate the slow-mos down below in the comments. I'd love to know what you guys think of today's look down below as well. If you guys enjoyed, please give me a big thumbs up. And it lets me know that you guys really enjoyed today's video or enjoy content like this, so that way I'll continue to, you know, produce content like this for you guys. Go ahead and also subscribe if you've made it this far and you haven't joined the gang. Be sure to join the gang. We're about to hit 2K, so secure your spot. Make sure you're here for when that happens, and also turn on your post notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I'll see you in a bit. So I'll see you in a bit. You ready? You ready? I'll see you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this pastel. So okay, I hope you guys really enjoyed the slow-mos. Okay, so and it lets me though, and that helps me out a lot, and it lets me though, that helps me out a lot, and it lets me though